So the other week I got myself this nifty little handheld camcorder. Got it off of Amazon, and it's quite a good little camcorder actually. I used it the other night and I recorded a video with it. So let's take a look at that now. And the details of the camcorder will be coming up on screen and also in the comment section.
So looking out my living room window, two people have got Christmas lights up at the moment. There is a house over that direction somewhere that's also got their lights up, but they're not switched on today. So yeah, Christmas is definitely on its way. Now I have got some Christmas lights up, but I don't really call them Christmas lights. I call them mood lights because I put them on whenever my mood needs a bit of lifting. And there they are. They go all the way around my hall. Adding just a splash of colour and a splash of light. And I've even done a little twiddly bit around there as well. So yeah, and over here to help with keeping the heat in, I've got a gap under my door that lets a bit of cold air in. So I've hung up red curtain on a couple of hooks, one up there and one up there, and it stops the drafts from coming in around the bottom of the door and keeps the heat in the flat and it doesn't escape out there. And as you can see, there's not really a gap at the top and I can't see any light coming in through the top, so that's fine. But the bottom, it really is a gap, and you can normally see light coming in under it, but I don't know why you can't today. Maybe the light's gone off outside. And at this time of year, I always seem to think about my mum. She did that cross stitch and also did that cross stitch and also did that one too. The picture above it is a picture of Neil and Gemma and me in the background spinning my tunes, and that was at Creature Sounds, and I had that from Hannah a couple of years ago now.